In the next video, we are going to see about the mirrors, types of mirrors. The types of mirrors, usually in day-to-day life, what we are seeing our face and combing our hairs is an plain mirror. And the second type what we are seeing is curved mirror. In this curved mirror, parabolic and ellipsoid mirrors are there, and plain mirrors is divided the curved mirrors is divided into four types: spherical, cylindrical, parabolical, and ellipsoid. The spherical and cylindrical mirrors, the joining of two spheres or the external, either the internal or the external cut of two spheres is called as your spherical mirrors. The spherical mirrors is again going to be divided into two types of mirror. One is concave mirror and another one is convex mirror. These two types of mirrors only we are going to see in this class. In the parabolic mirrors, the spherical mirrors otherwise called as parabolic mirrors. Spherical, parabolic, cylindrical, and ellipsoid mirror. The types of mirror we are seeing is plane mirror and curved mirror. The curved mirror is divided into four types, that is spherical, cylindrical, parabolic, and ellipsoid mirrors. The convex and concave mirrors comes under the types of spherical mirror. The first type what we are going to see is spherical mirror. Once again, the mirrors are divided into two types. One is plane mirror and another one is curved mirror. In this curved mirror is again divided into four types: spherical mirror, cylindrical mirror, parabolic mirror, and ellipsoid mirror. The first type we are going to see is spherical mirrors. Method of coating a glass plate with a thin layer of reflecting metal was in practice during the 16th century in Venice, Italy. They used an amalgam of tin and mercury for this purpose. Nowadays, a thin layer of molten aluminium or silver is used for coating a glass plate that will make the mirrors to be reflected. Spherical mirrors. See, there is in a diagram you are able to see an sphere. In this sphere, convex and concave is marked. In this hollow sphere, convex and concave is marked. In the convex, the outer side is the reflecting surface. Inner side is a polished coating surface. It's the same concave mirror. The same concave, the inner side is the reflecting surface and coated surface is the outer surface. So for this we can have an example of the spoon, the tablespoon which we are using. The tablespoon, the curved surface is the concave surface and the bulged surface is the convex surface. You can simply remember which is convex and convex by minding the spoon in your mind. The spoon curved surface is concave surface, then bulged surface is convex surface. Spherical mirrors are one form of curved mirrors. If the curved mirror is part of a sphere, the curved mirror is taken from a small part of a sphere. For example, the glass bangles will be broken. No, the glass bangle will be in the shape of sphere, round. If a part of the glass bangle is broken, that part is called as your spherical mirror. Either it may be a concave and convex. How to remember? I told you the depth part is called as curved surface is called as concave and bulged surface is called as convex mirrors. One side of this mirror is silvered and the reflection of light occurs at the other side. First we will see the concave mirror, a spherical mirror in which the reflection of light occurs at its concave surface. Which is the concave surface? The curved surface is called as the curved inward surface is called as the concave surface. If that part is the reflecting part, then the mirror is called as concave mirror. In these mirrors, you will get a magnified object placed close to them. The most common example of concave mirror is the makeup mirror. Then the makeup mirror, otherwise you can say it as shaving mirrors, that will enlarge your face or the object which we are focused, the part which we are focused will be magnified. Concave mirror is used as a shaving mirror. Then convex mirror. Convex mirror will be always showing the diminished images. Spherical mirror, in which the reflection of light occurs on its convex surface. What we have to think now? The bulged surface is called as your convex surface. The bulged surface of your spoon is called as convex surface. So if the reflecting part is that convex surface, means that mirror is called as convex mirror. The image formed by this mirror is always smaller than the object. Most common convex mirror or rear viewing mirrors used in the vehicle. Rear viewing is nothing but side viewing mirrors. In two-wheelers or in the cars, the side viewing mirrors will be there, through which we are able to see the vehicle which is coming at the back. That mirror is made up of convex mirror. The convex mirror, we are able to see the even a very big lorry which is coming at the back side will be shown as a small image. So in the convex mirror, the images will always appear as smaller. The convex and concave mirror, how the image will be focused is given in your picture. There the center line is called as principal axis, above which two lines or parallel lines are given is called as parallel rays. Then whenever the light rays falling on the convex or concave surface, it is reflecting back. In concave mirror it will converge, and convex mirror it will be diverge. Either converge or diverge after reflecting, where it will be joining the rays. After reflecting, the rays will be joining at a point. That point is called as a focal point, focus F. The center of the reflecting surface is called as a principal pole P. The sphere from which the spherical mirror is cut is called as, the center of the sphere is called as C, center of curvature. These are all the important points given in that. So once again, in this video, what we had learned, we have studied about types of mirror. In this video we have studied about types of mirror. 4 types. First, the mirror is divided into 2 types. First one is plane mirror, and another one is curved mirrors. The curved mirrors only divided into 4 types: spherical, parallel, curved mirrors only, spherical, cylindrical, parabolic and ellipsoid mirror. Curved mirror is divided into 4, and in the curved mirror 4 types of mirror are there. First is spherical mirrors. In the spherical mirror, once again divided into 2 types, that is concave mirror and convex mirror. We will see about the parabolic mirror in the next video.